In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the hidden text feature in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word includes a hidden text feature that lets you hide selected text without deleting it from your document. This can be useful when you want to keep additional information in the file, but don't want it visible during normal editing or printing. To begin, select the text that you want to hide in your document. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font section, click the small dialog box launcher to open the font dialog box. This window contains several formatting options that you can apply to the selected text. Look for the Effects section and find the Hidden option. Select the Hidden checkbox, then click OK. The selected text will now be hidden from the normal document view. The text hasn't been deleted. It is still part of your document, but Word is simply treating it as hidden text. This means you can make it visible again whenever you need it. To view hidden text while you're working on the document, go to the Home tab and select the Show or Hide button in the Paragraph section. This displays formatting marks and helps you identify text that has been hidden. If you want to unhide the text, select the hidden text and open the font dialog box again. In the Effects section, clear the Hidden option and click OK. The text will then become visible normally. You can use this feature when preparing documents that contain additional notes, optional information, or content that you may need later. Instead of deleting that information, you can simply hide it until you're ready to use it again. It's also important to remember that hidden text is a formatting feature, not a security feature. Hiding text does not protect sensitive information or prevent someone from finding it. Anyone who knows how to display hidden text may be able to see it. If you want to check whether your document contains hidden text, the Show or Hide button can help you identify it while editing. You can turn this option on when you need to review the document and turn it off when you want a cleaner view. Using the hidden text feature gives you another way to control what appears in your document without permanently removing information. Once you understand how the hidden option and Show or Hide button work together, you can easily hide and restore text whenever necessary. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the hidden text feature in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,